สวัสดีค่ะ Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Panitat Likisanpu.
And my name is Pakini Wongji.
We are the representatives from Samakhi Vidyakom School.
We're presenting you our project called The Study of the Natural Extract as a Biological Stain.
Nowadays, the study of biological cells is generally done by staining cells with chemical substance in order to highlight the outline of cells. Moreover, some stain can penetrate cell wall and highlight cell components. This helps visualizing cells under the microscope. However, the chemical substance is inaccessible in the local area. Therefore, a natural extract can be recommended as a very suitable stain by using the green chemistry.
There are three proposals in our study. The first one is to compare the efficiency of the colors from local plants. 2. To compare the efficiency of the natural acidic solvents. And 3. To compare the concentration of the acidic solvents. Our study consists of 3 experiments. The first experiment is the comparison of the color from local plants. 1. Extract the color by boiling in water in the proportion of 20 grams per 100 milliliter water. We got red from roselle and leca. Purple from purple cabbage and purple rice. Yellow from turmeric and blue from Ceylon spinach. 2. Cross-section the little iron tissue and mount on the microscope slide. Add the extracted color and the citric acid from limes as the acidic solvents with the concentration of 50% by volume. 3. Observe under light microscope, record the results, and repeat the experiment using different extracted color respectively.
And next we move on to experiment 2, which is the comparison of the efficiency of the natural acidic solvents. So 1, we splash the acid from plants, citric acid from limes, and ascorbic acid from pineapples. 2, cross-section little iron beads and mount on the microscope slide. Add extracted color, which is the best stained color from experiment 1, and add citric acid with a concentration of 50% by volume. And 3, observe under the light microscope and record the results. Repeat the experiment using ascorbic acid instead of citric acid.
And the last experiment is the comparison of the concentration of acidic solvents. 1. Prepare the acidic solvents. In this case, we use the one that is the most efficient from experiment 2 at the concentration of 25%, 50%, and 75% per volume. 2. Cross-section little iron wheat tissue and mount on the microscope slide. Add the extracted color from experiment 1, which is the most efficient, and the most efficient acidic solvents from experiment 2 at the concentration of 25%. 3. Observe under the light microscope, record the result, repeat this experiment using the acidic solvents with 50% and 75% concentration. And now we move to the results. From the first experiment, as you can see in these tables, red from roselle and yellow from turmeric are chosen to be the best 2 colors to stain the cells.
And for the experiment 2, as you can see, citric acid from limes is better than ascorbic acid from pineapples. And from this experiment, it was found that red from roselle is the most efficient extracted color to be the stain.
From the last experiment, with the 25% concentration by volume of the acidic solvent, it gives out a quite unclear result, and for the 75% concentration, the outcome was quite too dark. Therefore, 50% concentration of the acidic solvent is selected to be the most suitable concentration to stain the cells.
According to our 3 experiments, the red color from roselle by using citric acid from limes as a solvent with 50% concentration by volume is selected to indicate the optimal biological stain. Although the biological stain is not as effective as a chemical substance, which is safranin O, but it can be an alternative way for practical use in the local area. Thank you for your kind attention. ขอบคุณค่ะ